Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a wig that I got from Alipearl. I did purchase this wig myself. I tried out one of their pre-made wigs and let me just say, I think I like it. I think I actually like it. It's so much more easier. I love that it came like pre-plucked. I love that it came just done. All I have to do was like kind of like cut the lace, kind of like do some extra things to it. So let me give you guys the specs real quick on the hair. I did get a 13x6 frontal, 24 inches with 180% density. I will have all that down below if you guys want to look at that, and the link to the AliExpress Alipearl store. I really like the way this came out. Mind you, before you get to anybody that's typing, I am not a pro at hair, okay? I'll be the first to admit it. Like I'm the type of person, I really don't want to learn how to do it. I'd rather just pay somebody, but I want to learn how to be able to like get better at laying the wigs down. As far as making wigs, it's okay. How much does it cost? I'll just go ahead and pay for it because I have no desire to learn how to make wigs. But I do want to learn how to like get better at like learning how to like lay the hair down, do the baby hairs. I ain't do no baby hairs today because it's not as easy as it looks. Like they be, but I guess that's how people feel when it comes to makeup, because to me it's like, it's easy, and it's like, no, it's not easy. It did take about a week for me to get this. You gotta keep in mind we have all this COVID-19 going on, so things are taking a little bit longer when it comes to customs to clear it before it can get here. So yeah, and I think they do FedEx Express, so I always get my hair before 10:30 a.m. Usually it's like 9:50 something, 9:40 something. Like whenever I order anything that's coming through FedEx Express, like they be here on time. So yes, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, like the video, leave a comment down below, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, so this is the box the hair comes in. Standard box that most products, like hair products, come in. The hair does come in a bag, ladies. Comes with a duster. They give you a wig cap, and it also does come with a headband. Like they just give you like a piece of band so you can sew it on yourself. I have already like taken the wig out. Actually, I just got the hair in the mail today, and I immediately went to my friend and she helped me bleach the knots, and then she also sewed on the wig band for me. So thank you so much, Kira, for helping me. And then she also helped me cut like the little ear thingies. So now we're just gonna go ahead and, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on, lay it down, style it. This is what the hair looks like. It's the deep curly. Now the hair does come pre-plucked. The hair does come pre-plucked, so you don't have to do it. And I'm not too great at all that plucking, so I'm gonna leave well enough alone. It also has like combs in there. So yeah, they give you all of that. And this is the length of it. This is it stretched, 24 inches, but then it's like right up here. So I definitely want to do this as a side part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually glue the wig down. I've been seeing that method, and I think that's going to be a little bit easier. Glue it down first and then cut. So to glue down, I'm going to be using this. I like to do the glueless method. I'm not really into all that ghost bond. Listen, you got to come off at night, okay? You cannot stay on my head. I do not like to sleep with wigs on. You got to go. Blow dryer is plugged in. I don't know why I put on all this lip gloss when I'm about to be doing all of this. I'm gonna do this in steps. What I usually make the mistake of doing, honestly, I think I should lay this down. I'm gonna lay it down when I get to that side. Okay, anyways, I always make the mistake, I don't wanna say it's a mistake, but I always just like end up putting the glue everywhere, and then like, it just doesn't work out. So I'm gonna do here first, set that down, and then I'm gonna go do the side. So what I do first is I take the Got To Be the Ultra Gel first. We'll put this here. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait till I'm like done laying this hair down. Ooh, I'm gonna have an attitude. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that on all the sides. Alrighty, so that is glued down. Oh my gosh, like this hairline looks freaking amazing. Let me get close so y'all can see. Do y'all see this hairline? Am I too far back? Now we're gonna go ahead and cut. All right, so as you guys can see, the lace does not blend with my skin at all. Like this side looks better, but child, this ain't it. I hate when I sit down to film and I forget something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and blend this. I'm gonna take my Fenty foundation in 420, pump a little bit of this onto the back of my hand, make it look like it's coming out of my scalp. Who grew this hair? Me? Now you know you a damn lie. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of my bronzer. Where's my bronzer brush? And I'm just gonna go over this. I feel like I can do a little bit more like manipulation to this side as far as cutting, because this side just looks better. Yeah, I feel like I could definitely do some more cutting, but it's already been glued down. But that's the thing about wigs, is that you're like, you might try it on that first time, but you're gonna still do more customization to it like down the line till it's like perfect, like it's what you want for yourself. So this is just for demonstrational purposes. Now let's go ahead and let me go ahead and give myself a part. So I want a side part. I kind of want to see, that's the only thing, is that I got all this little foundation up in this hair. Ugh. I mean, this flip over is kind of cute. I could do this if I knew how to do baby hairs, but I don't know how to do baby hairs. That's a little too advanced for me. So I'm gonna stick to what I can do before I mess this hair up and then I get pissed. I don't know how people be like parting hair so good, like freaking suck at that, man. So I like that. Now, preferably I like to tweeze while it's not on my head, but shoot, we're this far deep, so might as well just continue, right? And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of like, not concealer, but like foundation on this part. So I'm waiting for my hot comb to get hot. I think I'm gonna spray some water on it, kind of like define some of the curls, because right now I feel like I kind of look like a poodle. Cool beans. I'm gonna take my spray bottle. I'm gonna take my Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, let's do this side. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. All right, so this is the hair. I went ahead and put some more water in it because I wanted the curls to be defined. That way when it dries down, it's not just poofy. It has a little bit of definition, but just, you know, a little bit drier. Because I personally don't really like when the hair is just like on my head flat. I'm waiting for it to kind of like puff back up, but so far so good. I need to watch the footage back to see how this looks. I feel like I did my best in like blending this. Yet again, I'm not like a pro at all of this stuff. See, makeup is my thing. So it's like, I can see makeup and I get it, like I can recreate it. when it comes to hair, like the way people feel about makeup is like, how do you do it? That's how I feel about hair. Like, it looks easy seeing them do the baby hairs. The minute I try it, it's like, no. So this is all a learning curve for me, but I definitely want to like get better at this. I mean, I think I'm doing a pretty decent job. Like, obviously there's always room for improvement. But yes, you guys, so this is it. I'm gonna try and come back and show you guys what it looks like when it dries up a little bit more, but yeah. All right, you guys, I want to show you guys the hair. I am in a different setup and different clothes. I am filming a clothing haul, so by the time this video is going up, that clothing haul would have been live. So if you want to check it out, you should go check it out, especially if you want to know where like I got this blazer from or whatever. But yeah, so this is the hair after it's dried up a little bit, and I like it. Like, I actually really like it. Like, it's dry, but you can still see like the curls. Like, there's still a pattern. So I actually like this hair a lot. I love that I kind of like laid it down here. And then this is the back, because y'all really couldn't see the length of it. But yeah, so this is the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, you should go ahead and follow me. You should like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and put on the post notifications. That way when I do post, you are notified. And also make sure you leave a comment down below. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.